If you're watching this video, then you're interested in what is the easiest type of leads that you can get into your business. Now, maybe right now you're not getting enough quality leads and sales into your business. Maybe you are getting leads, but they're not the type of people that you really want to work with. You can just tell they're the people that are going to pay you late, they're the people that are going to haggle on price and just be difficult to work with. Now, I work with entrepreneurs and business owners all around the world in solving that issue. But who am I? My name's James Nicholson, and I've generated £20 million online in sales. But not only that, I've systemized that process and I've documented how I did that, and now I train entrepreneurs and business owners to do the same. And lots of my students have gone on to generate many, many millions in additional sales and revenue into their business. Now, what are the easiest leads that you can get into business? So often we're always looking for new leads and new sales to get to our business. We're always looking for new ones, right? But do you know there's obviously people that have visited your website that they were interested in your product and service. You may have paid for traffic. Maybe you paid for Facebook ads, or you paid for Google ads, or a newspaper ad, or a radio ad, whatever it is. You may have driven traffic to your site and they didn't make an inquiry. Now, what you can do, which is a very effective tool, is to retarget those people, bring them back, and you can do that very effectively on Facebook. Here's an example of how that works. You'll have seen this in action. If you go on Amazon and you don't buy something, do you notice how it follows you around the internet? Now, that's called retargeting or remarketing. People call it different names, but effectively, it's a very straightforward process. You put some code from Facebook into your site, it knows who's visited, it knows who's taken what actions on your site, and it gives you a list of people that didn't buy your product or service or didn't make an inquiry with you, so you can follow up with them. Now, I've created the ultimate retargeting guide, and it's a step-by-step process to show you how you can do this in your business as well. So what I want you to do is click the link around this video above or below and get that guide, because knowing how to do this is really going to be a game changer for your business. So click that link, grab that guide, and I'll see you on the other page. Cheers, guys.